Why should you learn chords? Let me answer by showing you this example. Let's say you would like to play some of Adele's song, so you search it in Google, find some sheet music, and you see this. If you are new to the piano and sight reading, this may be quite complicated. So what can you do? Decipher each note and try to memorize everything? Well, it may work for a while, but believe me, you will forget it really quickly. It's like learning some sentences in foreign language that don't make any sense. If you know chords, all of this is easy. Let's spend a few minutes with two chords that are used here. I will show you how those basic chords are built and how you can practice them. It's not enough to know how to play the chord in one position. To master basic chords, you will need to see them in every position. But don't worry, practicing chords can be fun. Okay, let's start with A major chord. So A major has three notes. A is the root, then we have a major third, which is 4 semitones to the right, C sharp, and then the perfect fifth, which is 7 semitones to the right from root, E. So this is A major chord in root position, but don't forget about inversions. So how to move from the root position into first inversion? Take off the first note on the left and find it on the right side. So I'm taking off this A, and I will play this A instead. So this is my first inversion. Those two notes in the middle do not change, so keep that in mind to better remember this transition. There is only one note difference between them, this A. So this is the root position, first inversion, and to go to the next inversion I will again take off this first note, C sharp, and play it here. And if you repeat it again, you will end up in the root position again, but one octave higher. So what you can do to really feel this chord under your fingers? Just play through all those inversions until you feel comfortable. To make it sound better, you can add some octaves for left hand, for example A and F sharp. So I will try with right hand to only use notes from A major chord, so A, C sharp and E. So that was A major. Let's repeat all of that for another chord, C sharp minor. This time we have minor chord, so the root is C sharp, then we have minor third, which is 3 semitones to the right, E, and then the perfect fifth, which is 7 semitones to the right. So we have C sharp, E and G sharp. Let's go quickly through inversions. So this is my root position. I take C sharp and I will play it here. So this is my first inversion. E and G sharp don't change. Then I will take this E and play it here. Second inversion. And if I do it again, I will go back to the root position. Let's play a little bit with these inversions and then I will go back to Adele's song. I will add again some octaves for left hand. A and F sharp like before. And now with this knowledge about chords, let's go back to Adele. What do we have here? For the right hand, we have A, C sharp and E. Remember that sharp is added to every C. We have C sharp in the key. So what is it? It's just a root position of A major chord. A, C sharp and E. And it's played from left to right and back. And what do we have for left hand? Almost the same notes. A and E. So again, A major in a root position, but without this C sharp. So you can just put your left and right hand in root position of A major chord and take off this C sharp. And that's all. Okay, and next we have G sharp, C sharp, and E. So this is the second chord we played, C sharp minor. Okay, so let's find out what inversion is it. That was root position, first inversion, and second inversion. So this is what we need. G sharp, C sharp, and E. So the second inversion, but played here. We have C sharp and E in both of these chords, so that means only A is switched to G sharp. And what about left hand? Again, let's play the same inversion with left hand and take off the middle note. So we have G sharp and E. So transition between those chords is quite easy because we have A major and C sharp minor. So only this A is switched to G sharp. And now we can go quickly through third and fourth chord. So here we have F sharp minor. F sharp minor is built with F sharp, A and C sharp. But here it's played in a different way because we have an octave in F sharp and only C sharp. So there is no A here. With left hand you can start with playing standard F sharp minor and again take off this one note in the middle. So we have this. And the last chord is D major, so D, F sharp and A. But here it's played in second inversion. So starting with A, D and F sharp. For left hand again, just play the root position of D major and take off this note in the middle. And now let's combine everything together. So that's why knowing chords is really important. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to play such songs in few minutes? So practice chords in all positions and see how much fun you will have in playing songs. See you!